Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in, 每周打卡。Here's the question for you. 你想做什么工作？你想做什么工作？ What job do you want to do? 想 is a verb, meaning want. 做 is also a verb, which means do. 工作 is a noun here, which means job. Here are 8 occupations. Let's read them out. 医生、老师、警察、商人、厨师、画家、工程师、科学家。To answer the question, we use this sentence structure. 我想做。Complete the sentence with the job you want to do. For example, if you wish to be an artist, in Chinese, it's 我想做画家。Another way to answer the question is to use a different verb. Instead of using the same verb, 做, we can use 当, which means work as. So, alternatively and similarly, we can use 我想当 to answer the same question. Now it's your turn. Answer the question in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.